Kids, I hope you all are fine, taking care of yourself by washing your hands, wearing your mask when you go out. Children, we all have fear of height, water, fire, accident, but a brave person is one who faces the difficult situation with courage. Children, do you know Prime Minister of India give 25 children every year award for their bravery? Yes. So today we are going to learn about two such children named Mahika Gupta and Shubham Santosh Chaudhary for their act of bravery in this lesson Young Brave Heart from Bal Bharati in this video number 1.
Children, do you know National Bravery Award are given by Government of India and the Indian Council for Child Welfare for their extraordinary act of bravery against all odds to adventurous children. The award was to recognize and honor children who have performed outstanding deeds of bravery and selfless sacrifice. Dear children, today we are going to learn the story of 8.5-year-old girl Mahika Gupta from Delhi. The story was a tragic one yet inspiring. It was the month of June 2013. A little girl named Mahika, along with her brother, mother, and many other relatives, reached Kedarnath Valley of Uttarakhand. The family of 16 people had gone for a pilgrimage. Mahika was happy, excited, and full of fun, completely unaware of extremely adverse time following her family. It was June 16, 2013. Mahika, along with her family, was praying at Kedarnath temple. Suddenly, muddy water rushed inside the temple, separating all the family members from one another. It was the monsoon rain that flooded Uttarakhand. One could see along death and destruction all around. Mahika heard cry of her 5-year-old younger brother. She did not know swimming. She felt the gushing muddy water entering her nose and mouth. But she pushed herself with all her might towards her brother. It was a very tough situation. She was being hit by floating stones constantly. At last, she succeeded to catch her brother. She put one arm across his stomach and another on his face to stop water from entering his mouth. They kept floating for at least 2 hours in the water as she did not know how to swim. On seeing a light, she started waving her hand for help. A person came towards to her rescue. He dragged both the children to safety. 3 days later, Mahika's mother traced them out. It seems there was no end to their misery. After spending days without food and water, they reached Delhi station. The brave girl, when asked how she felt, she says, "One instant I was with my family praying at Kedarnath temple, and next what all I could see was water. No family, no relatives, just lot of water. I saw my younger brother being swept away in the flood water. I could not resist myself. I had only one thought. I had to save my brother. I put all my energy to hold him close to me." Mahika was honored with National Bravery Award by the Government of India. The story of Mahika was a tragic one and yet inspiring at same time. If a 8 years old girl can do such a brave thing, so can the rest of us. All it takes is a will. Our next young brave heart is Shubham Santosh Chaudhary from Maharashtra has been given Sanjay Chopra Award for his exemplary courage. The award was to recognize and honor children who perform outstanding deeds of bravery and selfless sacrifice with their presence of mind and courage. He was on his way back from school on 11th August 2012. He saw that a van had burst into flames on the national highway. A crowd has gathered out, but they were watching helplessly. Shubham rushed to the vehicle and tried to open the door, but the handle was too hot to hold. Shubham quickly broke the van's window and unlocked the door from inside. There were two girls in the van. He pulled them out of the burning van and saved their lives. Nelson Mandela rightly said, "The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear." Let us read the lesson. Prime Minister presented the 2013 National Bravery Award to 25 children on Friday, 24th January 2014, 2 days before Republic Day. Among these 25 children, 9 are girls, and the Bharat Award was conferred upon 8.5-year-old Mahika Gupta from Delhi. Now, what is the meaning of conferred? Conferred means to give somebody an award. On June 16, 2013, Mahika Gupta was in Kedarnath with her family. Suddenly, flash flood struck. The area was filled with muddy flood water. Mahika could not see her parents or relative but heard her 4-year-old brother crying. Mahika did not know how to swim. She was hit with stones carried by water, but bravely she waded out till she found her brother and dragged him to safety. There she held on tightly to her brother for hours. When she saw a light, she waved for help. After that, they were both rescued. With her determination and presence of mind, she saved her own life and that of her brother. Children, now we will learn the meanings. Dragged. What is the meaning of dragged? To pull. Determination means never to give up. Wade means to walk with an effort in water. Children, now we have learned that bravery is in doing the right thing, even when one is afraid. We become just by performing just action. We become brave by performing brave actions. Shubham Santosh Chaudhary from Maharashtra has been given Sanjay Chopra Award for his exemplary courage. He was on his way back from school on 11th August 2012. He saw that a van had burst into flames on the national highway. A crowd had gathered, but they were watching helplessly. Shubham rushed to the vehicle and tried to open the door, but the handle was too hot to hold. Shubham quickly broke the van's window and unlocked the door from inside. There were two girls in the van. He pulled them out of burning van and saved their life. Now we will learn the meaning. Meaning of exemplary means providing a good example. Helplessly means unable to do. Every year, National Bravery Awards are given to young children for their outstanding deeds of bravery. These children present inspiring examples for other children. You can read about their act of courage in the newspaper or on the internet. Nelson Mandela rightly said, "The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear." Children, now we will learn the meaning. The meaning of outstanding means excellent. The meaning of inspiring means encouraging. Children, I hope you have understood the lesson properly. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.